जाता था बच्चे।
Ramadan Kareem. Today we will learn about Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month in Islamic months. Fasting is the 4th pillar of Islam. In Ramadan, Muslims observe fasts for the consent of Allah. Fasting is called Sawm in Arabic. Fasting is obligatory on every Muslim. Abstaining from food and drink from dawn to sunset is called fasting. Muslims worship more in Ramadan. Taraweeh is offered in Ramadan. It is sunnah to break the fast with dates. In Ramadan, charity is done more. What do you do in Ramadan?
वीडियो देखने का शुक्रिया। सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।